Hello bachcho, today we are going to solve class first mathematics worksheet 1 in a very easy and fun way. So take out your worksheet and pencil, let's start learning together. The question first, write the number from 1 to 10. Let's write the number in order. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे बोल रहा है काउंट एंड राइट द नंबर इन द बॉक्स. आपको काउंट करना है और इनको राइट करना है इस बॉक्स के अंदर. तो फर्स्ट आपका है एप्पल. हाउ मेनी एप्पल? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3. Okay. How many stars in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write 5. Next. How many leaves in there? There are 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write 4. Okay. How many balls in there? 2. 1, 2. So we have to write 2. Next. How many flowers in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write 6. How many pencil in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to write 7. Very good. Next question. Question third. Write the missing number. Then look at the number sequence carefully. Think which number comes next. Let's complete all missing numbers together. So 1, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here is 7, and next 8. We have to done. Next pipa 2, 3, 4 after 5, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Understand? So, next question है आपका. तो question number 4 and write the answer in the box. You have to write answer. First you count and addition. Okay, now let's do easy addition. 1, 2, 3. We have to write 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write 4. Okay. Firstly you count this and you write here. Okay. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 2. You have to write 2. Okay. And there is four flowers and here is 1. So 4 and 1, 5. So you also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write here 5. Okay. Your worksheet has done. So don't forget to like the video, comment and favorite question. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends. See you in the next worksheet. Bye bye.